Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special, challenging video for you because I will cut my hair. I'm not a professional hairstylist, so if you try this at home, this is under your own risk. My last haircut was over 6 months ago. Before we start, I need to tell you that I filmed the whole tutorial without my microphone on. I apologize for that, it will not happen again. Here we go! This is the first time that I'm cutting my hair, so I'm a bit nervous, but I trust my talents. So first we have to start by wash your hair and do not use any conditioner, neither hair oils. You can use any brush you like. I actually ended up using this one because it's easier and it's made out of bamboo, so I really like this brush. Now we are ready for the next step, which is separating your hair in half to sleek lower ponytails using any kind of hairband that you wish. It is important to use special hair scissors. So we're gonna trim 3 fingers up. This is the way you do it. It's very easy, very convenient. If you have more hair, maybe you have to do it in separate parts, not all at once like me. Here I'm removing the hairbands, and as you can see, my hair looks amazing. Fresh haircut. Although it looks great, we haven't finished. I need to trim the upper layer, which is the crown area. You do the ponytail this way. You cut it 3 fingers up and it will look like this. So this is actually the final result. As you can see, I have the layers and my hair looks great. It actually looks so healthy. I totally prefer having shorter hair rather than long and dry. So let me know if you tried this. Let me know what you think. And maybe for my next video, I should trim my hair even more short to experiment on other haircuts. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it interesting. Maybe you try it, maybe not. I'm excited for you to explore with me life. See you on the next one, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Mwah!